Hey guys, it's Sean here. Here I am at another Regino's Pizza location. Today I'm going to show you how to make a panzo, deep fried version. And to make this deep fried Panzerotti, you're going to need a 12-ounce dough, which is here, and a 12-inch ring, which is here. So I prefer to use my hands. You can use gloves if you like. I just wash my hands with soap, so you're ready to go. So take the dough like this, press down on it, flatten it out, here I'm using cornmeal, and we have a dough sheeter here, we can use that. Okay. Or you can do a hand toss, or you can use a rolling pin. Whichever one you feel comfortable with, you can go ahead and do that. But for this, you're going to need a little bit thin. You're going to roll it out to at least to the size of this. There you have it, nice and thin. Put it on the ring and stretch it, make sure it stays on the ring. It's okay if it's a little bit bigger. Just shape it out to a circle there. That's it. So we have this circular shape here. So once you have that, you're going to put your tomato sauce on. So just grab a spoon. And what you want to do is just put it on just one side of this. You're going to make sure the edges, the sauce doesn't touch, because you're going to be using that edge to seal it, and you don't want the sauce touching the edge. It won't allow it to seal properly. So you got your sauce. I'm going to make mine very simple. I'm going to make the Canadian, which is the pepperoni, the bacon, and the mushrooms. So my panzo is going to be a Canadian. You can make whatever you want. So add some cheese. I like to layer my panzo, so I'm going to put one layer of cheese there. Grab some pepperoni. And some mushrooms. And some bacon. What I'm going to do is I'm going to double layer the cheese. So I'm going to put some more cheese on top. Simple enough. What you want to do is just pull the edge out and make sure the sauce is not there, because you're going to have to seal this. Take this and fold. Fold it into half a circle. And what you're doing right now is just taking it, just lining it up, pretty much. Just lightly pressing it and lining it up. Okay. So what you want to do now that it's all lined up, you want to take it, hold one thumb down, take it, press it down. Now fold it in. Take this one, press it down. Take this one, press it down. Just do that all the way around. There you have it, nice and pretty. If you don't feel comfortable like this and you don't think it's going to seal properly, you can also use a fork. Okay, so there it is. That's your panzo right there. You guys have it. So I have the deep fryer here, which has been preheated to 350. So it's been sitting there. This is a commercial one that they use at the pizza store here. You can use your own one, whichever one. Just heat it up to 350, let it sit. And also grab another ring or something that's similar to this. What you want to do is, before you put it in, since it's been sitting here a long time, you just want to turn it around. So just simply just flip it over. There you have it. And you're going to slowly slide it into the oil. Put it in the oil. You're going to let it sit in the oil for about 4 minutes. And then you're going to turn it over to the other side, let it cook for another 4 minutes, deep fry for another 4 minutes, and you'll be set. 4 minutes already, so what you're going to do is grab a tong like this, simply grab it from one side, and just turn it over onto the other side. And it's starting to come together. Another 4 minutes on the other side, you're ready. So we're just going to take it out, clamp it like this. And I have a mesh here, so the oil, I'm just waiting for it to drain because I don't want all that excess oil. I'm just waiting for it to drain there. So it's been sitting here for a minute or so now, and what you're going to do, it's your final product. So put it in to the box like that. And the best way to enjoy it, take a knife and just cut it right through. See all that? And the best way to enjoy the panzo is with the marinara dip. It's a match made in heaven. There you guys have it. This is how you make a deep fried panzo. Usually I would have my panzo with a can of brio. But today, we don't have a brio here, so I'm going to settle for a Dr. Pepper. There's your marinara dip for this. We're ready to go. Can't wait to dig in. If you guys like the video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe. Let me know what you guys think. Comment below. And thank you for watching.